It's nice, but I think it needs a little pepper.
We just fall in love, you and I about to fall in love. You.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm in the kitchen again about to cook some lunch. Today I will be making some creamy shrimp pasta, guys, so let's start cooking. So first thing, guys, I'm going to prepare the pasta. And yes, this is one of my favorite meals. So I am excited and I'm happy to look about this meal for myself. So to my pot, I add some water to boil. Then I'm going to put a little salt. Just a little salt. Then I'm going to cover and wait until the water is boiling. Then I go in with my pasta. So I will be using the fettuccine. This is what I'm going to use to make my creamy pasta. And in the meantime, I'm going to get the shrimp from the fridge. I changed my mind from using the fettuccine. I'm going to try with the penny pasta. I've never tried it with it before, so I'm going to try using the penny pasta. Alright, so I'm going to prepare some seasonings like onions, garlic to go in the sauce. So I'll be using a purple onion for my sauce. And also some garlic. I love to add a lot of garlic in my sauce. Alright guys, let's check on the pasta to see if it's cooked. Alright, so it's cooked. I'm going to drain it off. Alright guys, so now I'm going to prepare the sauce. to add some butter to my saucepan. So I'm going in with my garlic and my chopped onions. And I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm going to add a little lemon pepper. Okay, so now it's time to go in with my cream. Guys, I'm going to add a little spice to my sauce, some onion seasoning. I'm also going to add some garlic powder. A little all-purpose seasoning.
All-purpose seasoning is a branded food item.
Alexa, stop. The girl Alexa, she is so no, so no. Alright guys, I'm now going in with some Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to cover and let it cook for like a minute before adding the pasta. Alright, so I'm going in now with my pastas. Guys, I'm going to sprinkle some parsley. Alright guys, so my pasta is done cooking. So I'm going to have some for lunch. Guys, I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I think it's nice, but I think it needs a little pepper. Who will eat their pasta with pepper? I'm gonna add a little hot pepper sauce. Alright guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet for more videos like this one. Bye.